Lesson number 2. Installing the watchlist and linker analytics suite and configuring the workspace. Before installing the analytical suite, I recommend you to configure the workspace. You configure it the way you want. The only thing you need to do is select one chart, one window where watchlist and linker will be installed. Let's do this together. Open in several windows. I'll open 5. You can open as many as you need. Make sure to open one window specifically for watchlist and linker. This window can be located anywhere in Metatrader terminal. I usually put it on the left, but it's not forbidden to put it on the right, top, bottom, in any convenient place. This is how I set up my workspace. You can set additional characters, additional texts, change periods for your needs, zoom in or out of graphs, and so on. That is, configure them as you need and install all the indicators that you will use. In the window for watchlist and linker, you do not put anything except, in fact, watchlist and linker itself. There should not be any third-party indicators, drawings, graphs, etc. Watchlist will remove everything anyway. It is already assumed that you downloaded the program and installed it in the terminal. You must have the program in the Metatrader terminal directory, in the MQL4 or MQL5 folder in the Experts folder. In some cases, if the program is purchased, it may be in the Market folder. If the program is installed correctly, you will find the watchlist and linker program in the Advisors category. Drag the program to the chart with the mouse, click OK, and the program will load the data. There will be a separate lessons for settings. Important information. The very first time you start the program, it'll take a long time. From 10 seconds to 50 minutes. Watchlist checks all financial instruments that your broker provides. Analyzes and checks whether each financial instrument is correctly designed, whether it has any data, history, and whether all its properties are correct. If the tool is adequate and correctly configured, Watchlist adds it to the first main list. Because of this, the first launch on a trading account may take a long time. All subsequent launches, terminal restarts, and other program launches will take from 1 to 2 seconds. If you open a new trading account, it'll be a long run for this account again, because the account may be opened with another broker, there may be other financial instruments, and everything will have to start over. All subsequent launches will take from 1 to 2 seconds. Depending on the advisor settings, full list or list in the MarketWatch setting, Watchlist loads the broker's list of financial instruments either in full or from the Market Overview window. If you select All, Watchlist will add all these tools to the Market Overview after the analysis is complete. Due to its architecture, the Metatrader terminal updates the charts of the instruments only if the financial instrument is added to the Market Overview. In this lesson, we have configured the workspace and installed watchlist in your window.